Hey, my family, it is time for me to announce the winner of my giveaway. Thanks to all of you who entered. As you can see with Wheel of Names, what I use, the app that I use, I did include all of you. On the right hand side, you can see your names. And here is the wheel that I spun earlier today. And let's get ready. Let's get ready to find out our winner. Okay, I am closing in. Okay, I've just clicked there. I'm about to click, and here is the wheel spinning. Congratulations to our winner. And the winner is Marcus Stevenson. I think I might have spelled it wrong, but you get it. Marcus Stevenson. Claim your prize. Congrats to you once again. Please comment on this video and claim your prize by tomorrow, December 2nd. Happy Vlogmas, everyone.